Friends, welcome to Abhivyakti India's Future Classroom. Here in part 2 we will see few more questions from time and work. Here is another question. A can do a piece of work in 5 days. Therefore, number of men is equal to 1. Number of days is 5. And since it is a piece of work, W1 is equal to 1. How many days will he take to complete 3 works of the same? So here M2 is equal to 1 because the same person is doing the work. Number of days that you have to calculate, and the number of works in the second case is 3 works, and therefore W2 is equal to 3. So M1 is 1, D1 is 5, W1 is 1. In the second case M2 is 1, D2 that we have to calculate, and W2 is equal to 3. Here the relation is M1 D1 W2 is equal to M2 D2 W1. Replace the value, that is 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 1 multiplied by D2 that we have to calculate multiplied by 1, and therefore D2 is equal to 5 3s are 15 days, and therefore there will be 15 days required to complete 3 works. See the second question. If 30 men can paste 50 CD covers in 2 days. 30 men, so M1 is equal to 30. In 2 days, therefore D1 is equal to 2, and they can paste 50 CD covers, so work, that is W1 is equal to 50. How many covers will be pasted by 90 men? So M2 is equal to 90 number of men in 12 days, therefore D2 is equal to 12. And how many CDs will be pasted? Therefore W2 that we have to calculate. So the formula is M1 D1 W2 is equal to M2 D2 W1. So M1 is 30, D1 is 2, W2 is 50. W2 that we have to calculate, and this W1 is 50. And now we will calculate this. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and 31s are 30, 33s are 90, and therefore 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 50, therefore W1 is equal to 900, and so the 900 CD covers will be pasted by 90 men in 12 days. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.